Hi everyone. In this video, I want to share with you the concept of toast. Toast is a short notification uh, in Android. There are two types of toast. One is a default toast message. For example, like this one. If I click this button, so a message display at the bottom, and it will automatically disappear after a short while. Look once again. You see like this. Another type of toast is a custom toast. For example, if you want to design the message differently, and if you want to add some image or color background or some emoji, for example like this one, you see, so the same toast message, but there is a custom design added. So to understand these two type of toasts and how to implement it in Android, let's create a new project, and I will add one button here. The text should be show toast. The size should be text size, let's suppose 20 sp. Okay, the button id should be btn show toast. Now let's make the constraint of this. So when it is selected, we can click this bar. So horizontal in parent and horizontal vertically in parent and horizontally in parent easily. Here in this uncreate event, we will type we will add the coding to the button click listener. So the button ID is btn show toast, and that set unclick listener. Inside this, we will create a toast instance, toast dot make text. So the first argument is this, the context. The second argument is the actual message, that whatever message you want to display. For example, I will type this is a toast message. Okay, the next one is for how long this text message, this toast should display. There are only two options. One is toast dot length long, and the other one length short. So let's suppose length long, and finally dot show. Okay, now if I run this application, if I click this button now, you see the message will be displayed. So this is a default and normal toast. Now the second option, if we want to customize this message, customize in the sense that we can add some image, we can change its background, so the message will be a customized message, not this standard message. So how to do that one? Let's go, and I will comment this. For that purpose, we need to add a new layout for this toast. So to add a new layout, go to a resource folder and layout folder, right click on the layout folder, click new, and then layout resource file. In this layout resource file, you can give any name to this view. Actually, this will be the view where it will display as a toast. So this whole new file will be the container for the toast. I can give a custom toast. Okay, make sure that this is a constant layout. So then click OK. After that, I want to add to this. So this will be actually the container view. Okay, so this container view, if we should change this one to wrap content, but for example, if it is a match parent, so then the toast message will be that much big, like the whole screen. Okay, so this should be wrap content, and the height should also be a wrap content. Another property, I want to give its ID, because later on we need this ID. So this one I will you can give any name like view parent or view container, anyone, PA. You can give any name to the ID. Okay, another option, that if you want to give color to this whole container, then we can use the background property. So you can define any you can select the existing one also, or you can define any color code that you want. For example, if I want to give a green color, so then it will be look like this. Okay, now this is the main just container only. So the container is ready. What should be inside this container? So in this container we can add an image and a message. So for the image we need image view. Okay, so if I add image view, so its width should be, let's suppose 105 dp, and this one also, height also 150 and dp. Okay, okay, now for this we need an image. So let's add an image also. Go to the project hierarchy, then a resource folder, inside resource folder drawable folder, right click on the drawable folder and then click new, and then click image asset. So here there are several different type of images and icons. So you select action bar and tab icons. Here you can give any name that you want. So for example, I give a name notification, because it is actually toast is a notification. Now what image you want to be displayed? So you click on this Android icon, and these are many different type of icons. So for example, if I type for the notification one, so we can select from this. Now click next and then finish. So that one is added now to the drawable folder. So here I can add now src, you see, drawable and notification. Okay, that's all. So this one should be closed. Now I want to add the text message. So for the text message I will use text to view. Okay, and it should be wrap content. And what should be the text? The text should be like this is a custom toast. Okay, you can change its size also if you want. For example, text size, suppose 20 sp. Yes. Okay, now let's go to the design view to adjust its constraints. So you see its constraints are like this. Now we can adjust its constraints like this, that the bottom of this text view I want to connect with the button of this icon view. So connect to this. Now the top to the top, the left to this icon view. Now the icon view to the top, and the left to the left. Okay, so all done. Now let's go to main activity.kt. So this time how to add the custom toast. For this purpose we will, in the same button click event, so we will create a toast, and this time the toast constructor, and here inside this constructor we will provide this, and then the apply method. Okay, so inside this we will provide the parameter. These are commonly main 3 parameter, like the duration and the view, and then the show function. So the duration should be equal to toast dot length long, let's suppose, and the view, which view it should display, so this should be equal to layout inflator dot inflate the which view, the r dot layout dot custom toast, and the parent id, this id that we give it, if you remember. So this id, yeah, we parent. Okay, so then we parent the its id. Okay, and after that the last one, the show. Yeah, now if I run this project, now if I click this show toast button, you see now it can display like this. So actually in this way you can design a custom toast. Here at this notification icon place, you can add any of your image that you want. Okay, or any other icon or emoji. The background you can change, the message you can change. So you can design your custom toast like this.